So the next two colors are red, so the red line around the triangle, and orange. So I like to mix these at the same time. Orange is going to be literally orange. This is cadmium orange with a little cadmium yellow. Cadmium yellow. Cadmium yellow deep is a little bit more orangey. So this is going to be the orange color. Maybe you make it a little more cadmium yellowish. Alright, so let's see. We're going to maybe even go kind of backwards here. So there's orange behind the star. Orange is going to have some white in it. I don't want to mess up my white yet. So I'm going to add a little more white to make this orange color. So you need some white, not too much white. I think you're getting the gist of this white usage. So this is a pretty cool orange we've got already. See how it's not too orange. Okay, so I like that. Tiny bit lighter. So that's the orange to show you on my palette range of colors. It's going to be the center of the yantra. And the red. So the red triangle, you take the original red color of the petals, you put it on the side, so we only need a little of this, and you add a tiny bit of the orange, just to kind of bring it over into the orange realms. See how that's not quite so red anymore. Let's see. See, there's the orange, there's the red. It's a slightly orangey outline now. It'll look red pretty much when you're painting. All right, wash that up. And we have our next two colors. So it is in theory a red line around the triangle and a red line outline to the star. I just add a tiny bit of orange so it hangs more happily with the oranges at the center of the yantra. For the last bit of mixing, remember the yellow that was the inner gate? That's going to be the color that's going to be in the center of the star. So I'm probably going to paint this one first, just because it's lighter. Then once the yellow star is painted, I'm going to use that mixture, that orangey red mixture, to draw the outline of the star. And then the very last thing we do is a central dot with gold. So the gold bindu. And the gold bindu I usually paint about 3 times. I do one coat, then I let it dry, then I do another coat, then I let it dry, then I do the final coat. And then usually the bindu, it ends up being raised almost. So you fill up the compass hole and it's almost like a dome shape at the center of the yantra. So that's where Mr. Ganesha lives, right at the center of the yantra. All right, so now we will do the yellow star.
Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.